Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says, if RE be the radius of Earth, then the ratio between the acceleration due to gravity at depth R. So we know that at depth R, the acceleration due to gravity, let it be GD, is given by relationship G1 minus R by capital R, where R is the radius of Earth. Let, for simplicity, let RE be equal to R. Okay, so at certain depth R, this is acceleration due to gravity that you should get, where G is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. At certain height, so at certain height, let it be at certain height, let the acceleration due to gravity be gh. So it would be equivalent to g times 1 plus r by r whole square. So this is the relationship that you should get. Okay, it says you need to find out the ratio of these two. So it would be gd by gh. So it would be g1 minus r by r divided by g raised to divided by 1 plus r by r whole square. G will gonna cancel out it. So we'll be getting 1 minus r by capital R. So it would be 1 plus r by r whole square. So this is the final expression that you are getting. Now we have to solve it. Okay. Then rest everything would be easier to do. So this is the expression that you are getting. Now this is in the form of binomial expression. Since this r is this radius of Earth is very much greater than this height, so the ratio of r by r would be less than 1, don't you think? The ratio of r by capital R, which is the radius of Earth, would be less than 1. So we know the relationship. We know that if it is 1 plus x raised to power n, where x is less than 1, so through binomial theorem we will gonna expand it. Its expansion is given by 1 by nx plus n minus 1 2 factorial x square plus so on. Okay, so we'll be equating this in the terms of binomial theorem, and we'll get the first three expression of it, because again in the next expression you'll be getting x cube. Again it would be very much less, so you should neglect those terms. Okay, so it would be equivalent to 1 plus r by capital R. By expanding it, this would be equivalent to 1 plus nx. So n is this and x is this, so it would be 2r by r. Okay, the last term is n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square. So n is 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial multiplied by x square. What is x over here? X is nothing but r by small r by capital R. Its whole square would be r square. So this is the expression that you are getting. Okay, now we will be expanding it once again. So finally this is the expression that you are getting. So it would be 1 plus r by r, 1 plus 2r by capital R. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 multiplied by 1. So these two will gonna cancel out each other. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it would be plus r square by r square. Okay, I'm neglecting all other terms. Plus all the other terms we can easily neglect, but because that term would be very much less. Okay, so now you can easily multiply it with the expression in order to find the final expression. So this would be equivalent to 1 plus 2r by r plus r square by r square. Okay, so it would be, so the expression was 1 minus r by r, not 1 plus r by r. Okay, so the acceleration due to gravity at certain depth is given by g 1 minus r by capital R, not plus r. So here it would be minus, not plus. Okay, and at certain height it was g by 1 plus r by r whole square. So at certain height, the height is r, which is given to you. So, okay, so this expression would go over there. Again I'll be multiplying this term with the whole term, so you'll be getting minus r by r this would go over here, so you'll be getting 2r square by r square. This would go over there, so you'll be getting minus r cube by r cube. So this is the final answer that we are getting. 1 plus 2r by r minus r by r would be r by r. Okay, again this r square by r square minus 2r square would be equivalent to r square by r square, and finally r cube by r cube. So this is the final answer that we are getting after expanding it. So it is closer to this answer. Okay, so 1 plus r by re minus r by, okay, not closer, exactly you are getting the same answer. So this is the final answer that you should get. Okay, the only thing is you must need to know about the binomial expansion, then only you would be able to solve this question. Okay, rest everything is clear. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.